Guys, I'm going to school with this amazing mishap. I got this to get my phone. So, look, our town is, our street is flooded. And for some reason, the water stops right when it gets to our driveway. This car is going through it. It's crazy. It's coming from that way, and that way. And it's continued here.